SAT reading, evaluating an author's purpose. Identify the author's purpose in using specific examples. Analyze how data supports the author's argument. Evaluate the effectiveness of anecdotes in conveying the author's message. Goals for this lesson. Identify the author's purpose in using specific examples. Analyze how data supports the author's argument. Evaluate the effectiveness of anecdotes in conveying the author's message. Basic rule. Step 1. Identify the examples used by the author. Look for specific examples, data, or anecdotes in the text that illustrate the author's main points. Step 2. Determine the purpose of these examples. Ask yourself why the author chose these particular examples. What message are they trying to convey? Step 3. Evaluate the effectiveness. Consider how well the examples support the author's argument. Do they make the argument stronger or weaker? Repeat after me. Example of purpose. The author includes statistics about climate change to highlight the urgency of the issue. Analyzing anecdotes. The author shares a personal story about a family affected by pollution to evoke empathy and strengthen their argument. Data evaluation. The inclusion of survey results helps to validate the author's claims about public opinion. Common mistakes include: the author uses examples that are irrelevant to the main argument. The statistics presented do not relate to the topic discussed. Correct versions are: the author uses examples that directly support the main argument. The statistics presented are relevant and enhance the reader's understanding. Mini practice. Choose the correct form. 1. Why does the author include the statistics in lines 15 to 18? A. To confuse the reader. B. To support their argument about climate change. C. To provide unrelated information. Answer: B. 2. What is the purpose of the anecdote shared in the passage? A. To entertain the reader. B. To illustrate a point about community impact. C. To distract from the main topic. Answer: B. 3. Which statement best evaluates the effectiveness of the data presented? A. The data is irrelevant and does not support the argument. B. The data clearly supports the author's claims and strengthens the argument. C. The data is too complex for the reader to understand. Answer: B. Pro tip. When reading, always ask why the author chose specific examples. Look for connections between the examples and the main argument. Summary. Identifying examples helps uncover the author's purpose. Analyzing data reveals how it supports the argument,